I just started overthinking things, and the colors wasn't matching, nothing was matching on it, and I was like, well. And then I called I called the Ford dealership, started talking to him that the wiring harness altogether was obsolete. You'd have to go find somebody that actually has one. But he said they sell the pigtails also, and I said, well, are they color coded? And he goes, yeah, they're color coded to match factory specs. And then I'm like, okay. I said, do you have them? He goes, yeah. And then he goes, I lied to you. He goes, every wire on this plug is black.
Right.
So even from Ford, they're not color coded by any means. So I guess, like you said, wire for wire, just coming off the pigtail.
Yeah, that's Ford. Well, it's probably been longer than that, but yeah, they came out with that, that plug that you had to wire positionally, because so much of the wiring has been, that truck's, kind of old, and chances are, you've had stuff spliced here and there. So,
honestly, I knock on wood, I've got 365,000 miles. I've never put an injector or a glow plug in it till just when I ordered it. And I've never replaced any wiring in it.
Man, that's incredible.